I want to tell everyone. I want to tell everyone in the social media, in the world, in the whole wide world. I have one special person in my life. Ibu ada seorang yang ibu sangat sayang. Dia sangat special in my life. Ibu sayang gila. Tak nampak muka ibu atas sikit. Atas sikit nampak muka ibu. Bagi nampak muka ibu, okay? I love him so very much. And he is my love of my life. He's my love of my life. And I love him so much. I tak pernah sayang orang macam ni. Ibu sayang dia sangat. You know what? Guess who? Rakam muka ibu tu. You want to know what? Guess who? It's Muhammad Akif Kalish. Ibu sayang gila dekat dia. And ibu cannot live without him. And rakam ibu kat atas sikit. And I hope that he gonna love me forever, like I do, like I did. And why you cry? And I really hope that one day dia akan jadi anak yang baik, berjaya dan hormat orang tua dan keluarga. Saya sayang dia sangat-sangat. Dan saya harap dia jadi anak yang sangat soleh dan berbakti kepada orang tua. I love you, Kalish. Mwah. Thank you for the